Hello there, you beautiful people. We now know a lot of stuff in Python. As well as knowing about variables and if statements for creating logic, you also know how to use strings, integers, floats, and Boolean data types, which is awesome. These are the building blocks of a lot of Python programs, and you should be super proud of yourself for making it this far. You've really learned a lot, and I'm very proud of you. So sometimes, believe it or not, it's actually inconvenient and inefficient to have these little pieces of data floating around, each with their own variable name. Python data structures make it possible to group massive amounts of data together and store them all under one variable name. Now, data structures make it possible to operate on thousands or even millions of pieces of data all at once in a single line of code. Crazy, right? So Python gives us a variety of data structures that we can use, including lists, tuples, and dictionaries. And in this section, we're going to teach you all about all three of them. We're going to cover what they are, how to make them, and some cool stuff that you can do with them. You're going to be building two projects in this section, which is quite cool, right? So first of all, you're going to build Travis, the ridiculous security system. Travis will have a list of known users in his security database, and he will be able to detect an intruder. However, Travis is ever so polite, so whenever he finds an intruder, he's just going to ask them if they want to be added to the list. This project will teach you all about combining logic with your Python data structures, which is an incredibly powerful ability, so you'll want to watch out for that. You're also going to be building a cinema booking simulator. The cinema is going to have a list of films with their appropriate age ratings and the amount of seats left. When a user comes to buy a ticket, the computer will ask for their age and check if there are enough tickets left before allowing the user to buy a ticket. Nice, right? So by the end of this section of the course, you're going to know about Python's data structures, how to make them, how to use them, and in what circumstances each type of data structure works best. So in the next lecture, we're going to jump in and discover the first and most common type of Python data structure, which are lists. So I'll see you in the next video.